Hello students, today our topic is food preservation. You observe that we keep our food items in refrigerator. Why do we keep the food items in the refrigerator? To prevent them from getting spoiled. We used to keep them in the refrigerator. So all the food items get spoiled at room temperature after some time. Such spoiled food items produce foul smell and are not good for our health. For long use, a food item should be preserved. The process by which we can prevent the food item from getting spoiled for a long time is known as food preservation. It may be preserved in refrigerator, it may be preserved in bottles, in cans, and there are many more ways to preserve the food. First of all, the refrigeration and defreezing. Refrigerator cools down the food to a very low temperature and deep freezer freezes the food. Both cooling and freezing preserve the food by slowing down the growth of microbes. Refrigeration preserves the food for a shorter time as compared to freezing. So next is bottling and canning. We all mostly use bottles and cans at our home to take many drinks, energy drinks and juices. This food is sealed in bottles and cans after killing germs. This doesn't allow the growth of microbes for a long time till the cans or bottles are opened. So this is the another way to preserve the food. Next is drying. The food is dried by removing all the water content from it. This prevents the food from spoiling. You use many things at your in your daily routine at your homes, like you eat chips and many more packing materials we use in kitchen also, like soya bean. They are also packed by getting drying, and there are so many examples of drying food. So we keep this food preserved by drying it. We keep it for a long time and it will not get spoiled by the microbes. So another method is pickling and gelling. Salt and oil in pickles and sugar in jams and jellies act as preservatives. When we use pickle, you can see that there is much amount of oil in it. So why we put oil in the pickle? We put oil to preserve the pickle for the long time. Okay, if you want to test it, you can try that. Put some pickle in a bowl that is without oil and keep it for 1 or 2 days. You will observe that there will be it will give the foul smell and it gets spoiled. You can see the fungus on it. So to preserve the pickles, we use salt and oils as a preservatives, and in jams and jellies, sugar is used as the preservative. They prevent the growth of microbes for a long time, and we keep them as good as for our health for the long time. So these are the some methods to preserve the food. Now solve your worksheet. Thank you.